Welcome back, free thinkers, to another evening edition of the Grow Rich, Grow Happy Crypto Show. Guys, in this episode, I want to talk about Zebec, but I want to explore their Uphold partnership a little bit more. I brushed over it yesterday in the last video that I made. I'll flash it up here. But in this one, I want to look at it from an investor standpoint and zoom out and look at the bigger picture here, as I believe that it's a tall tale sign that we might be looking at the calm before the storm. And a lot of us that hold Zebec out there, things might be looking to reverse and really head up from here. So in this one, guys, if you're holding Zebec or you're thinking about getting more Zebec, just pay attention, because I think things might be getting ready to take off. And if they're not getting ready to take off, I'm going to tell you a few things that will definitely skyrocket this price. Guys, this is your first time here to Grow Rich, Grow Happy. I am Mr. Foresight, and it is my mission to break down crypto on the most basic level so that you guys, regardless if you're a novice to an expert, you can get in and you can feel like you're making the greatest possible investment decision for you and your family. Guys, I do that by way of crypto, and I do that by helping you defeat yourself. All the negativity aside, you get to move that aside and say, you know what? I'm going to do this damn thing. So that's what this channel is about. Sounds like something you want to rock with? By all means, stick around. Smash that like button. Give me a sub. Hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any videos, and share these opportunities, guys, with somebody you know and love. And get you a Tangent wallet. Guys, I'm telling you, we're not playing around here on the Free Thinkers, this channel, guys. We use Tangents in these parts because we can safeguard our crypto. We don't have to worry about anything happening to it. We don't have to worry about any crypto thieves. We don't have to worry about a centralized exchange, getting in trouble, locking up our crypto when the profits are going through the roof. We self-custody our crypto. I have a 10% discount down below that is yours. Guys, that 10% does go to support the channel. As always, I thank you guys. I thank the community. I love you guys to death. So with that, let's jump right over here, guys. I always tell you, when you're doing research on a crypto, you want to remove your emotions and look at it strictly as a venture capitalist. What can I get out of it? How can I maximize my gains? And more than that, how can I make sure I'm not risking the house on something that might go bottom up? So with that, we're going to jump over here and I'm going to show you something. Check this out, guys. So yesterday I talked about this. I talked about this post that they made. I actually shared it as well because I feel like this is a big deal, but I want to explore more. They say we're leveling up our treasury operations. Zebec is thrilled to announce that we'll be managing our treasury with Uphold institution. A trusted partner serving 10 million users, consisting of both retail and institutional investors. Check this out, guys. This is the big deal right here. Uphold is a key partner of Zebec. They hold nearly 100 million in Zebec or zbcn tokens across its retail and institutional wallets as Zebec seeks to grow its institutional presence in key markets such as the US and the UK. This partnership should continue to drive institutional adoption across investors and financial partners. Guys, this is a big deal. This is a big deal because, for one, Uphold is trusted. I've always told you guys that they have a great research team over there led by Dr. Martin. Guys, Zebec partnering with them and entrusting them says a lot, because we know that Uphold doesn't play. If you don't believe me, these guys are ranked. Uphold, it's them trusting Uphold with their larger, with all of their funds and their managing their money, is essentially like them trusting a Coinbase. You don't believe me? Let's jump over here and look at something. I was checking out this 10 best crypto exchanges of 2025 published by Forbes magazine, guys. But check this out. If you come down here, there's Uphold. But check this out. The number one, and this shocked me, I didn't know this, Kraken is number one with a 5-star rating. And then you have Uphold right below them, 4.7. So what does this say? This says, guys, these guys are no joke. Uphold is no joke at all. And for them to hold that much ZBCN tokens, guys, that says that they know what's going on with the project. They've done their research. Now I'm come down, you got crypto.com, you got Gemini, you got Coinbase Exchange. Look at this, guys. Coinbase Exchange, you get a 3.7 by Forbes. That says a lot, because if you come up here, what does that place Uphold? This is why I really rock with Uphold, guys, and maybe you should too. For those of you looking to buy Zebec, you can always get it over on Uphold. You can get it with your Tangent wallets. You can hold it there as well. But Uphold is trusted. They've been trusted for a long time, guys. So their company, their expertise is pretty much, people trust them when it comes to their crypto and keeping their money on their exchange. So when you look at that and you look at the whole Zebec linking up, and you know that they've done their research, you know that they've done all these promotions with Zebec already, guys, these are the things that can let you know, okay, you know, I've seen some things that didn't really meet up with Zebec, but then again, on the other side, you got to say, okay, but Uphold trust them. Their research team, trust them. It's some things that they still need to figure out, some things they still need to do moving forward. But as I've told the XRP community, like people who don't like XRP, you know, same with Zebec. Can you make money with it? And I'm going to say yes. Not only can you make money with it, it's in a great position now where you can get in low, make some money. So not financial advice, but I am going to jump up here because I do want to show you something. Because if you look up here at the making of this video, and I'm going to reset right here, guys, over the 24-hour period, we are down almost 6%. Now, why is this important? Why is it important that we're down 6%? Because I look at where we are. We didn't quite climb to where I would have liked us to climb. But again, that's how the crypto market is. You know, some things move opposite to other things. And with Bitcoin moving where it is today, where is Bitcoin at the making of this video? Look at this. Everything's going through the roof, guys. Look at this. Bitcoin is at $119,000 and Zebec isn't moving. I think this is the calm before the storm, and I'm finna jump over here and tell you why. I think it's the calm before the storm because, again, we do have some things coming. They said they're gonna have their SOC 2 by the end of July. That is one catalyst. What's the second catalyst? Then they're still working on their ISO, which is going to come pretty soon. So that is another catalyst. And one of the major catalysts besides ISO 20022, I think one of the major catalysts is going to be their super app. These are three catalysts that are coming this particular year. And when it comes to cryptocurrency, people like to hear that you're doing things. People like to hear that your project is moving, or else they're going to say, I'm just holding a dud. I'm holding a dud. You want something that's going to blow up. And I believe these three catalysts are just the thing to do that. So guys, you guys let me know down below. What do you think of these three catalysts that are coming? And how high do you think Zebec is going to rise with these catalysts? I think the SOC 2 is going to be great because it is going to really solidify them as a game changer. It's going to help with, you know, if they want to integrate with military and government, you know, that is going to do it. And of course, we know what the ISO is going to do for them. It's going to be another badge of honor. And then that super app, if it holds up to be everything that they say it's going to be, boom, off to the races. You guys let me know down below. What do you think? Are you still grabbing Zebec? Are you stacking up on it? Let me know down below. I'm out.